Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 29. Ita ba, which means see you later in Korean. Again, the word ita ba is used to say see you later. This is an immediate later, not like see you again, where there is no sense of urgency. The word ita ba is composed of 3 syllables. First syllable is I, and this is composed of a no sound iyang and an I character. The second syllable da is composed of a double-digit character and an a character. The last syllable ba is written with a biup character, an o character, and an a character. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these 3 syllables to form the hangul of the word ita ba. And with that, you've just learned ita ba. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 19 to 28. But don't forget our word for today, word number 29, ita ba, which means see you later. Word number 28 is kanyang, which means just because. Word number 27 is pali, which means quickly or fast. Word number 26 is chakaman, which means just a second or wait a minute. Word number 25 is gomawo. This is a polite way of saying thank you. Word number 24 is Chingu. This is a Korean term for friend. Word number 23 is kumane, which is used to say stop it or enough in an informal manner. Word number 22 is 좋다, which is used to say that's great or that's good in Korean. Word number 21 is 감사해요, which is another polite way of saying thank you. Word number 20 is 감사합니다. This is a formal way of saying thank you. Word number 19 is 고맙다, which means to be thankful or I am thankful. And that is the last word for our review. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.